This is a Make It So Studios app video. I'm Tim, and the app is Inflation versus AssetGraphIt. This app graphs your savings with growing inflation. And now, how the app works and what you can do with it. AssetGraphIt has two screens, the graph screen and the enter data screen. On the iPad, you can see both screens at once very easily. On the iPhone, you simply just switch back and forth between the two screens like so. Now let's try some numbers. Let's say you were going to contribute $18,000 a year in savings. So that number is already entered in here. You can set to contribute each year or for your contribution to just be a single lump sum that it starts out with. We will contribute each year as if this were a real savings retirement plan. You can also check to increase that contribution each year based on inflation. Now the next field is the interest rate that you'll be getting in the savings account. We'll assume 5%. We'll assume 25% for the tax on the interest. You can enter in whatever numbers would be for your savings account or retirement plan. Let's say I plan to retire in 30 years. And the final field here is the inflation rate. The inflation rate you want to enter is not just what inflation is, but also what you think the buying power will be for your cost of living. A safe number to assume, and the default number that we use here, is 5% inflation. Then if you press calculate, it'll give you two output numbers. The total saved is the size of the account after 30 years of contributions each year of $18,000. The total save here after 30 years will be just over $2 million. Now, the value under it is the value of that money at year zero. So $2 million in 30 years has a today value of only $470,000. So what that tells you is how much the money is really going to be worth. So you can actually gauge how much you're going to have after 30 years. Now if we look over here at the graph, you can see that it's graphed this savings account over 30 years. The red value here is the value of the money at year zero. The yellow value is the actual size of the account, and green's the contribution, orange is the interest rate. All the colors here match up. So that's how AssetGraphIt works. It's that simple. And that was inflation via AssetGraphIt. You can find this app in the Apple App Store along with AssetGraphIt, another one of our finance apps.